Yo, we are gonna take my car out today, and man, this motherfucker is dead as hell. Like, dead as hell. Like, y'all kind of see it. Like, it's kind of dark. Like, it's not even making noise. It's just so dead. So yeah, no, I'm gonna let I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit, y'all. And yeah, we finna be outside with this mug, take a couple pictures. It's actually been at least like 3 weeks to a month since I've driven this. So, wow. So yeah, so it's just dead as fuck at the moment. So yeah, we're just dealing with all this bullshit. So just stay in tune till we get it started. And it should be started in just like a few seconds. Like, all right, it's been like maybe like 10 or so minutes. Let's see if I can get this thing started. Oh, it's still dead as fuck, bro. God.